Hello everyone. Today we are starting this session on exploitation. At first I will give an idea about what is meant by exploitation. Exploitation in cybersecurity refers to the act of taking advantage of a vulnerability or weakness in a computer system, network, or software. This is typically done by malicious actors, hackers, who use various techniques to gain unauthorized access to data, disrupt services, or cause harm. Exploitation can involve the use of malware, phishing attacks, or exploiting software bugs to bypass security measures. To learn exploitation, we are going to install a vulnerable OS called Metasploitable2. Locate the Metasploitable file and download it. The Metasploitable file will be a compressed file. We have to extract it. This is the extracted file of Metasploitable2. After extracting the file, now we have to import this Metasploitable file into the VirtualBox. Make the necessary settings as I showing here. Now it's time for importing virtual hard disk file of Metasploitable into the VirtualBox. Now click on Add button and import extracted Metasploitable file into the VirtualBox. After choosing the Metasploitable file, we can see the OS Metasploitable is ready to run in VirtualBox. Metasploitable2 is a no graphical OS. Username and password is msfadmin. Password will not display there. To move mouse point out of Metasploitable, press Alt and Control button together. After login to Metasploitable, check IP address using ifconfig. We need the IP address to exploit. This is all about installing. In next video we will discuss about exploiting vulnerabilities in Metasploitable.